Welcome, here I've got REALME Q2 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we get access to more options we can manage. Now let's focus on this button from the left with frame. This is the aspect ratio of this camera. Now we are in 4:3 camera aspect ratio. By just one tap we can change this to 1:1. As you can see, the background has changed to the square one. The next one tap and we go to full camera aspect ratio. This is how it looks like. By just another tap we can go to 16:9, and when we tap on this once again we go back to 4:3, the original one. So this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.